Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the first holiday show of the new year on Bac2Bragg Home. And let's just get started with Christmas is 100% over now. The Epiphany was Wednesday, or yesterday. This is premiering on a Thursday. And 12 Days of Christmas ended the day before that. There are still some Christmas-ish kind of stuff to come. We'll get to that. Welcome my co-host, Kitty. So what we're going to do the first year of the holiday show on Bac2Bragg Home is every week, Thursdays when these episodes will come out, I will go over holidays that are coming up through the week, from Friday till the Thursday. Tell you what they are, and give you my personal off-the-cuff suggestions of how to celebrate. So, let's get started. So the first holiday, on January 8th, that's Friday, is Bubble Bath Day, which, how to celebrate that's probably pretty self-explanatory, but Thursday you might want to wash your tub. And then also it's Mail Watchers Day. That's spelled M-A-L-E. Let's double check to see what... by the way, holidayinsights.com is our source for this. And I have an ad that won't get out of the way. And a cat that'll get on me. Ladies. Yeah, this looks like, pretty much how it sounds. Watch dudes. Sounds like it's more for the straight women and bi and homosexual guys. So yeah, observe guys and enjoy. Moving on to January 9th, Saturday. January 9th is Play God Day. Hopefully you don't do anything crazy to celebrate that. I would play a video game or something where you're kind of like a god. Minecraft in creative mode comes to mind. The Sims, stuff like that. That's how I would celebrate that. Sunday, January 10th, Bittersweet Chocolate Day. Make something with some bittersweet chocolate. I wouldn't eat that straight up. Houseplant Appreciation Day. Make sure your plants are watered, and maybe double check the internet to see how to better take care of them. And Peculiar People Day. That sounds like something right up my alley. So this pretty much honors peculiar people. Insight suggests find something peculiar about yourself. Yeah. Find something peculiar about yourself. Maybe celebrate that. Post your peculiarness on social media. Something like that. Sounds fun. Alright, moving on to Monday, January 11th. We have Learn Your Name in Morse Code Day. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. And then also on January 11th, Step in a Puddle and Splash Your Friends Day. That one might be a little hard, but if you get the opportunity, take it. And then when they're like, what the heck? Be like, hey man, it's Step in a Puddle and Splash Your Friends Day. And then run before they can splash you. And then January 12th, that's Tuesday, Feast of Fabulous Wild Men Day. This kind of sounds like Mail Watcher Day. Let's peek at that, shall we? If you're a fabulous wild guy, this could be your day. It pretty much says if you enjoy this special day, you'll also enjoy Mail Watcher Day. Yeah, I would imagine. So Feast of Fabulous Wild Men Day. Despite some deep diving into the internet, we have been unable to determine the roots or reason for this day. The fact that this is referred to as a feast is intriguing. We can only speculate that the reference refers to feast your eyes on some fabulous wild men. So ladies, suggests, yeah. There pretty much sounds like the Male Watcher Day. But, hey, if you're a Male Watcher man, go treat yourself to a nice little feast. Go find a restaurant or something. Enjoy yourself. That's what I'm going to do. It's also National Hot Tea Day, so get a hot tea while you're feasting for the fabulous men. And National Pharmacist Day. If you have a pharmacist, it sounds like a good day to show your appreciation. So, Wednesday, January 13th, International Skeptics Day. So the origin to this, or no, let's not do origins. Is pretty much good chance to be skeptical. Date created was January 13th or October 13th, or first Friday the 13th of the year. Oh, date when celebrated. Gotcha. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. So, maybe find something to be skeptical about and research that. The next one of the day, there's 4 of this on January 13th. Make Your Dream Come True Day. Recognize your dream. Figure out a plan to make that dream come true. National Rubber Ducky Day. That'd be a good day for a rubber ducky race. Man, if I was the mayor, I think I would, of a city, and we had like any kind of river or something, we would be having some charity rubber ducky race that day. And then National Take the Stairs Day. Pretty self-explanatory. You got the option. Take the stairs. And then Thursday, January 14th, Dress Your Pet Up Day. You hear that one? Yeah, that's you. Another pretty